KLING 3.0 just came out and it completely dismantles VO 3.1 and SOAR 2, and I will show you full proof why. So I'm using KLING 3.0 in Hixil because you get all the image and video AI models, the best ones. So first video I created was this.
What do you think? Which one of us is AI? Me or me? Neither of us is AI.
So really simple, and here you can see we have multi-shot option, which means that you can create up to 5 scenes in one video, which means 3 seconds each scene because max duration is 15 seconds for the KLING 3.0. You can also upload start frame and end frame. This was my start frame. I didn't upload end frame for this one. And as usual, a ratio 16:9 or 9:16 and 1:1 and resolution 720p and 1080p. Here is an insane video created by KLING 3.0. As you can see, really dramatic, ultra realistic. Next one is this science fiction scene. Look at their faces.
I was told you know how to make things.
I mean, as you can see, it looks insane. It doesn't look like AI at all. When you look in their eyes, there is no warping, there is nothing that would seem like AI, which is totally insane. I don't know how they trained this model, this version. So this one is a multi-shot example. Here you can see 1, 2 shots, 3 shots. Now you have 4 shots and the last one. And as you can see, the consistency in this video is insane. The car is the same. The people in the car are the same, the man and the woman. The man has the bluish shirt, the woman is with a blonde hair, and this stays consistent throughout the shots. Next one is this UGC type of video.
Changed everything for me. These are the Make Ads gut health gummies, and honestly, they taste amazing. My digestion and even my skin in like 2 weeks. I'm obsessed.
So this looks crazy, and this how you can basically sell different products on TikTok or on Instagram, whatever.
My skin in like 2 weeks. I'm obsessed.
And most likely this, first of all, was created in Nano Banana Pro because Nano Banana Pro is the best for realistic images. And then just using KLING 3.0, you can create videos like these ones. Also, multi-shot video. And yeah, this is really effective because you don't have to create different videos. You can just create one video and include different shots. Now this example is the best one when we talk about facial expressions. Here you can see combine different facial expressions like fear, wonder, sadness and happiness. And as you can see, KLING does a exceptional job. Now you can see the anger. So if we got the VO 3.1, which was the best version of this, KLING 3.0 is, I mean, KLING 3.0 takes the lead, obviously. Now this example is crazy because you can create an image with a grid, basically with 4 different frames, different scenes in one image, and you just write in a prompt which frame you want to play next, and this is 4 shots, and here is the full video. So as you can see, it starts with this one, then it goes to this, then to this bottom, and ends with him eating. So let's see.
What's up, Slugs? Today I'm in the bowels of the Sanity Soup Factory.
So what exactly is this stuff?
It is the essence of madness.
And the best thing about this is that the KLING 3.0 keeps the same style, the same camera style, which looks like 90s movie, something like that. And this is, I mean, this is impressive. So next example is this horror movie scene.
No! Help me!
So again, this looks really great. Looks like some 70s type movie, but this ghost looks something like from 90s, 2000s movie, which looks more advanced. So you can even mix 2 different styles, but this overall looks incredible. Also the film grain, as you can see. So here is the next scene. I want you to pay attention to these rocks because this, looks ultra realistic. Also, the dynamics, the gravity, the rocks are moving realistic. They don't look fake. And this is a really simple video, but it looks like a shot from a movie. And last example is this one. This camera movement, this zoom in, looks incredible. So this is the first frame. The woman is in focus. The background is blurred. And the camera basically focuses the background and zooms in, which is maybe like dolly zoom in. Then it turns to a next shot and next scene. So this is what you can do with KLING 3.0. And the best part is that there is no AI glitches, no AI warping stuff. So KLING 3.0 really improved. And a new feature is that this model is multilingual, emotional, so you can use different languages. I think these will be the biggest languages like Spanish, Chinese, Mandarin, English. I don't think they will nail all of the, even the small languages, but overall, as the video AI model, KLING AI just took the lead. So we will see what the VO3 or maybe there will be VO4 this year, probably this year, but hopefully sooner than later. Now you can even create fighting scenes like this one, and you can see even the sweat and the blood is basically going all over the place while they are fighting. Incredible close-up shots. You can do this really effectively with frames, starting frame and end frame as well. But you can even use only one shot with one frame and just ask the prompt to zoom in really close. Movements in racing, in cars. Basically, this is a point of view type of scene where you are in the car and looks incredible. Now, how you can get KLING 3.0 really easy, go on Higgsfield.ai. I am personally using this creator monthly. Right now there is like 70% off. The best part is that you will get like 6,000 credits, and one long video costs like 30 credits. So you will be able to make like 100 to 200 videos with KLING 3.0. Full length. You can create shorter videos with basically cheaper, and you will get unlimited KLING 3.0 exclusive, Nano Banana Pro free for a full year, 18 unlimited generations image and video. Here you can see all the plans, free, basic, pro, ultimate, creator. So all the links are in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI stuff like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.